Hello everyone, this is Shrikar here, and today we'll be building a simple landing page using Next.js, Shadcn, and Tailwind. For this use case, we are actually going to use Cursor.ai, which is going to help us bootstrap the app. As you can see, this is a fresh, clean directory with some information about cursor rules and an instruction.txt. So the cursor rules is what I've taken from the cursor directory. It's you can think of cursor rules as a simple guidelines for helping us generate the code in a way we want it. And instruction.txt is like information about like what you want the app to be. In this case, I'm going to tell, okay, this please create a simple Next.js app, integrate Shadcn and Tailwind. Please create a new landing page for this website, some of the with particular name. Also, like make sure that you kind of like tell explicitly that it should be legacy optimized. Some content for the landing page, like the heading, overview, service page content, and about page content. Um, this is what we have right now. As you can see, the directory is completely empty. Let me just close up all the terminals and then open up a new one. Terminal, that's what we have. As you can see, it's kind of like completely empty and cursor rules is hidden. Let's see, there are two ways we can start. Either we can create like a simple Next.js app ourselves, or we can ask cursor.ai to create the rules, or basically like create the application for us. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to like start with something simple and try, at least in the first case, uh, asking cursor.ai to actually create the code for us. So just going to reset this whole thing. Please create a Next.js app using the at instruction.txt. The Shadcn library usage has changed. Please use the latest documentation in this particular website, right? So you can just even explicitly tell them this is what we want. Hit enter and let's see what it's going to create, right? So okay, looks like it actually created the app. As you can see, it's creating a bunch of code right now. Accept all, seems okay, right? So in this case, let's close the composer view. We have src app components, blah blah blah. Actually, you know what, it kind of like messed up the app creation part, right? So let me just do one thing. Let me just delete it and then use the instructions it actually provided me. So this is what I'm going to copy. Go to the extension, right? So we're going to do this. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, right? It's created that instruction application. Sure. Now we can go back and tell explicitly, I created the app. Can you create all the code in Navigate AI Labs folder again, right? So sometimes it does understand, sometimes it doesn't. So whenever it doesn't, we have to do this kind of like workaround. Let's see what it's going to tell next. It actually create or install the Shadcn, I don't remember. Let me just see. That's the case. So it says npm run dev. For the sake of simplicity, I'm just gonna open it up in a different folder. Work, cursor, projects, navigate AI labs. Right, so there it is. I'm gonna gonna say npm run dev. Okay, let's something else was running maybe. What other folders do I have? I don't have anything, but let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it kind of like created a dummy app. It's literally not what we wanted, but let's see. Except, oh, I didn't do except all, that's probably why. Okay, now let's look at, close this. This one, I don't know what it actually created. Let me just remove this one. Delete, move to trash, app, page.txt. Okay. So I think it's creating something else. Let's see. Okay. This is the folder. Navigate hyphen. Oh, I think I gave the incorrect name. That's probably why. So sorry for the confusion. I gave incorrect folder name. Please create the code in navigate hyphen AI hyphen labs. So let's see. Okay, as you can see now, it's updating the correct code. It also created a components folder within that. That's good. So once that is done, you can probably just say accept all. Let's wait for it. As you can see, right, like it's kind of like figuring out there are some linting errors, and it's changing, it's updating the ts config to make more changes. Let's say accept all. This is good. Okay, so there is still an issue with respect to radix UI and react slot. So for simplicity, let's actually go and do this. npm install. Right now, what is the issue? Now class variants, I think maybe it didn't do the whole thing, I guess. Or maybe we can just try running this. Neutral, yes. Yeah, it created a bunch of other folders. Let's see what's going to happen now. Yeah, so this is the landing page we have right now. Our mission, our services, everything is on a single page. Now we can go and tell the AI back to create separate pages for services. Actually, our mission, this doesn't look good. We can just take a screenshot of this and tell what is not good about that. This UI doesn't look good. Please make it look better. Right, it's as good, it's as simple as actually just telling the AI what to do. Let's see what it'll come up with. Except all. Wow. Okay. As you can see now, I think it kind of like changed the setup. Like it kind of created this heroes section. Also, the mission is in the center. Our services. This looks good, but maybe we can do better. We can again take this one. The text is not visible. Visible for the request demo. Right. We can even ask it to say consultancy, custom tools, case studies. I think case studies we don't have anything right now. um, see, stored. Yeah, it kind of like changed it. It made it like a different button. So you can see the right, like the background here is only like just covering the our mission section, and it is not till the end of the website. So we can explicitly tell that um, our mission background, make it full width, right? So it's gonna do that now. Select all. Yeah, as you can see, it's till the end now. This is cool. What else can we do? Can we actually create, I think we forgot to create about and do the same for case studies. Do the same for case studies section. Select all. Now the case study also has the nice background. Transform your this thing, discovery solutions. Where is discovery solutions taking us to? So nothing is there, so the links are not clickable. Can we also add a contact us page that will send us an email when somebody submits the form? Yeah, in this case you can see that it's actually creating a new API and also the contact us form, right? Process.env from and process.env to. So let's do this. Actually, let me just add the necessary environment. You know what, for the sake of simplicity, let me just copy this. Actually, can you use resend to send emails, right? I didn't accept that, so it's not that it's done. Npm install resend. Right, accept all. Let's see actually if this works. So first let me go to the terminal, create this, install this. I'm gonna go to resend email. What is it complaining? Okay, this is a issue which we have to fix. I'll just give that message to cursor.ai, come back and create an application. So let's say sign in. So I can say forgot user login with Google sign up. Actually, you know what, for now let's just use this. So authorize and send, create, right? You haven't sent an email, sure. Let me just go to the API keys. I'm going to delete this key once we are done, but accept all. So in your email to send, resend API key, I'm just gonna this accepted. Go back, create like a .env here. .env. Just gonna say create a key, your YouTube tutorial, delete later, add, copy this, then send this thing here. Oh, copy this, send it here. That's pretty much done. Let's see what it looks like now. So the contact us form is here. So if I go Shrikar hello gmail.com, test message, send message. Okay, there was an error sending you a message. Let's see what the error is. Okay, it kind of tells over here. Oh, I didn't restart the after env change. That's probably why. Let's try this now. Okay, now API contact, there's still an issue. API missing, resend key. Have it here. Okay, what is this thing? Did I not install it? Thought I installed it. Okay, that is there. Send API key. I just gonna say open this composer again. Tell this one. But I do have the .env. See? Oh, I think I didn't create it correctly. That's probably why. So tell this one. Let's create this. I think I created the env. It should be in the navigate AI labs, not in the app. That's probably what it complained. So let's run it again and then send a message. Let's see. Okay, send message. Looks like it sent the message things from the previous error. See if the error message was sent. We can actually tell the AI to tell something else. Can you please provide notification or pop-up to show that the contact form was submitted correctly? Oh, it started a different one. That's probably why. Okay, let's see what it says. Yeah, sure, whatever, accept all. Then looks like it loaded. Shrikar@gmail.com, test message, send message, sending. Thank you, your message has been sent successfully. We'll get back to you soon. And if I go to this thing here, you can see that there is a message from Shrikar. Cool. Yeah, as you can see, like it took some time, but we were able to build like a landing page probably in less than 20 minutes. Yeah, do let me know if you have any questions. This is at least like a good starting point for us. And then you can kind of like keep iterating on like adding more features. Like for example, you can create like a separate page for like about services and whatnot. And also like once you have more testimonials or case studies, you can add them here. But yeah, that's it from me. Do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.